Myself Rahul Kumar, and basically I'm a full stack developer, and today we are going to learn about the positioning element, fixed and sticky position. So now you can see over here at the right bottom you can see one element called fixed. So if I am going to scroll this page, then this element is not getting scrolled at all. It is not at all moving. It is at the fixed position even we are scrolling it, right? So this is called fixed positioning, whereas in here at the bottom you can see this red color element which is sticky. I have declared position as sticky, so it is behaving as a combination of relative positioning and static positioning. Now as you can see, this red color element is sticky, so I have declared this position as sticky. So this is behaving as a combination of relative and static. So normally it will behave as relative, but as soon as it reaches a particular threshold or offset, like for this condition I have mentioned offset like top as 0. So whenever this element is reaching at the top as 0, then this element will stick to that position and it will not change even though the page is scrolled. So let's see how it looks like. So this is maintaining, this is sticking to the top even though we are scrolling the page. So this is called sticky position, right? Now you can see these two diffs like fixed and sticky. For creating fixed element, I have declared position as fixed and I have provided the right and bottom 50-50 pixel. So that's why this element is fixed, has fixed position, and it is positioned with respect to the page 50 pixel right from right and 50 pixel from bottom, and it is not changing the position. So this is called fixed position. And for implementing sticky position, I have declared the position as sticky and I have declared the offset for which it will behave like a sticky. So I have mentioned like top as 0 pixel. So as and when the page is scrolled and this element reaches the top as 0, then it becomes sticky and it doesn't scroll with the page scroll event. So you can see over here, so even though I am scrolling the page, it is not scrolling this sticky element the entire, although the page is getting scrolled to the bottom. So this is the difference between the sticky and the fixed position. So I hope you learned about sticky and fixed position. So if you like the video, do subscribe it and share it. Thank you.